Okay, I'm Donna Kimura. I'm the owner of the Bluebird Diner. I started here about 17 years ago with a lot of energy that I no longer have. But we started, and it takes a lot of organization, a lot of thought, and a lot of hard work. And your biggest obstacle in this business is actually your employees, trying to get them to do what you want them to do, get them to stay and do their job. That's probably the biggest obstacle, probably in any business, is your employees, and it's actually the hardest one to overcome. Work-wise, there's a lot of work, but it's not extremely stressful. But there is a lot of hours that you have to put into this kind of business to keep it going. It's definitely a hands-on where you have to be here. That's it.